Viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me today for the first time, Eze-Ana or if I'm only seeing charge and go to the temple. And you know, about family name, look as all more each other. I've got more seeing charge and ordinary restoration evangelical commission. Brilliant Bassos on the need. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No, but you can't go out to you. It's your why you will be able. Mado, you will a home mother. Yes, woman. A home mother. But does not bring money. Or they will take. Yes. Here na check all again woman can follow them mother have been misled. Or told them mother they make some of the video now watch the other day. And I was up because they must be dying when you share and Facebook this app. Or I don't know what I carry okay. I'm on never around 17 years. Where were Roma? Where they were from 1 days. It was no dear walk with. What they had draw. Here now my opic that is here now. Only now go the head to one. And I just need to hear the hair does not work. Only come because of Nollywood. Yes. Odi ha draw. Only got to the mother. Nollywood will follow their paint a picture. Or you cash I know what those and what they go. What would they have draw? Maybe tomorrow I will be able to tell you how things work in esoteric. I will be able to tell you about all these spiritual sets. And about secret course. I want to do those things in more bread. When they have draw, what they beg on this name. Yes. A government and Apatano will control on the Syrian number. Need a book of money begisi where they may hear of here cannot give you money. Quote me anywhere, I will explain it in details. Share this message, go do your I can go on how supernatural tests work. Talk about a madonna or total dinner lead diggy, more than I could for him or for the dinner believe in so has no idea of how things work in creation. So pay attention. This teaching is a time bomb, and why I will now send it is that for me, since I'm one of them today, that I'm going to be you. Acronym. I was at the Chase Konya were on call my here, but spirituality. Do here goes on. He would tell no Jackie on. Now let's dive before we dive into today's lecture. Important announcement. We are in the month of August. Our group ritual for the month of August is still ongoing. We started it. Now I want to tell you so you the keys to enable opening and answer to Wadum. Yes, with the keys to enable opening and answer to Wadum. Naja Nacho on Wabana. This was to go in the temple to Aja go for Kubio Kunisi, didn't necessarily in Aja. Remember, I started with the ritual Aja, he category 3 years. We have massive testimonies, but we don't share it on social media. More than Yoku TV, Macanobody hide Macabia. But I can tell you, to name no way. One the Chubaja, Macanaja Cadero. That actually quarter Basado here, Basado, what it was or one of women and week. Here we nature. You call Wego. Now pay attention. I want to choice when I jan at Tunigo. Chatham na WhatsApp. Major WhatsApp not being what up. Because was able, unable friend of the child of the temple, Cheta, Naja, I Nacho, Arobana, okay, this year, September 16, on a Tuesday after. Chetagua, neighbor, and also to Wadum, Nega contribute to your quota towards that festival. Yes, on free will donation. Okay, this year is very unique because this year I got on Tana, the place of worship for Chukwuke. Yes, so all the way special festival called. Then Obuno was only were a child of the temple, or they were a fan, and each our fans, and each all is Nanyabo towards building of the place of worship. Chat me on WhatsApp. Mobuno what I do when Uncle Yanota. WhatsApp number is 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 Now let's dive into today's lecture. Let me tell you, I'm tired. The high body could tata way waggy. Don't worry, hobona to I ya follow human being. No, in order to get money, average yoke it doesn't work. That is a imagination of ignorant people. Or to turn them mad and then what you have nothing. They don't have any experience of how things work in creation. They are masquerading themselves as spiritualists. So, obo no obo na enwudelo. Jerutia can you weapon on we weapon to mad ibue. Father to onya wanga me ihe niile life jail. Onya wa deserve ke me ihe niile kwesiri ime n'ụwa. maka na ihe ọpụta bụ na ya abụrụ human being. Yes, agwara m ọnụ na majority of people that are living here on earth now are not supposed to be here. Some of them are distorted souls. They are condemned souls that kwesịrị ịnọ in the first total annihilation. But because of the life of our present day mothers, not living a worthy life worthy of emulation, gave those condemned spirits another helping hand to find their way back in this world. And the ones they are here back, they are condemned souls. They have nothing to lose. So therefore, what they will be causing to human being is more pain, because they lose nothing. So those people, so don't be seeing everybody on earth as genuine human being. I can tell you, some of them are not genuine human beings. Their primary purpose is to cause pain, and they are always rejoicing whenever they cause pain to people. That is one of the characteristics you will know them. Causing pain to other people, they don't shake. So the same way, some of the people that are teaching you or telling you that it can be Dangote because you I think yesterday on WhatsApp group, I shed tears. So it will take them so much. Now, but ignorance is the greatest disease. Yes, ignorance is the greatest disease on earth. So tomorrow I will teach you how these groups and sets ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-enegara anya na-akpọ ha na ha bụ ndị otu nzuzo mma agwaghị etu ha si work. Yes, ọ bụrụ etu ahụ iti eche. So onye batara na ị nwere ike ị na-aga na wastris ife ebe tisha signboard gị be abịa na banye na temple nke a asịghị Indian Bahan temple gị be abanye nke a ka ịfụ grandmaster ka ime ihe dị na ọ ga ndị anyị na-eme ndị wayo ụdị ihe a adọrọ. So ọ bụrụ na o nwere onye ọbụla ị na-anọkịta na-eche na ndị mmadụ ụfọdụ nwere ike na-achọ ka ha jegbute ahụ mmadụ ka e wee tinye n'ọgwụ nwa ka ha wee bute ike, ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Let me tell you, success nwere principle. And will success or principle, and once you apply it, you follow the principle will locate you. Yes, the spirit of Momo is in charge of money, and once you are aligning yourself with the spirit of Momo and follow the principle, money comes, success comes. Once you apply the principle of success, the supernatural forces that are in charge of success, once you align yourself with them, they will attract success to you. And then with the principle, and the principle that is that you must do the needful. Once you key to the needful, money will come. Once you key to the principle, success will come. Let me give you an example. Are you saying that those Hinduism, Shintoism, the women in the Eze-Ana, the Christians, the non-Christians, the Eze-Ana, they not go billionaires? Are you saying that they follow all this local mindset of life in follow human being? Do you think? No. That is not. Only one I say, Gije without whom Madanka, without Madanka, go away, marry cham. Aki wego, no dog wego. Can you know the beer? Away billionaire. Only her pastor, in the whole beer and a beard. Or the mother on any honey. But they open the brain, I'm the money you deceive. From that video, who them all can you say I made this letter? Or to put them and they keep deceiving people, thinking of what or they had their work. Let me tell you. On what he hit the car. Oh, gave me a whole leg gabia. On what woman I will get upon him wear bad attitude. He are not practicing the principle of attracting money, success by hard working, by being customer friendly, by setting the pace, doing all those impossible considering the principle that brings success and favor. You understand it. Once you apply it, it doesn't know about religion. This is in as a man as you put out more the Hindu am here now. Elon Musk am here now. The Dangote am here now. The richest man in Africa and they are here now. They didn't follow those process, but they are waiting. So onye a na-agwa gị that no ije gbuo nne gị ma o je gbuo nna gị iwe nwe ego ọ bụrụ asị ka ọ bụ ihe ederegoro ebe nyanwa na-agosi mmadụ ụzọ esi enwe ego ọma ya ụzọ ahụ gara inwe ego ọma ụzọ ahụ ụmụnne ya na ụmụ ya niile gara inwesi ego kwụsị na mindset ndị eriri eri Oh, when you can also social of Nollywood can may blame. Because some of those things is make believe, but not real. It's not real. Those things are not the mindset of the script writer, or the directors, and the producers. They gave you something that nobody will tell each and on our work. Oh, never to foreign them by the boom mother. Three nine boom mother can go. Oh, more than a boom mother. Eze-Ana mother, a cannibalist. They have nothing to do. Only I but then here they are more shako. The Eze-Ana mother. Or the Eze-Ana mother because only home. You know that back or story of Clifford Dodge na Lagos. Yes, when we are growing up. Clifford Dodge when you home. Here I will always go on about to worry or ya way in where going. And match with those things when you home. And they deceive you. Only on an agwag, you may hear it about our passing mother make you awake as a couple. You or imagination. Don't want to tomorrow can go while they hear those spiritual setting in our bundle to so here they may haja the influence and influence more for them haja associate about one jack. Can was the principle and apply. Upon a boom mother. Macono won't make a chain it. Upon you those by the word our home mother, Tiano of him when they see. So no, or Yaka Patego. Oh, magic! I don't understand it, but I need you when they deceive one. Here, but I don't you where they say, no, you won't name or one night, but when you got no thanks to Nollywood. Manaka, I was over the joke. Now, I want to call here over the charm, your table charm. Charm when the whoever that is missing the charm bring maybe animals, bring emborogo, more bring guy here, more shallow vibration on their own. Then put them together. Then propel his own intention towards that particular thing based on his own belief and their own belief. Your own belief and his own belief is what energizes that particular thing and give that thing strength. And if they miss all those things, you don't believe in that thing, you don't energize it, because when you believe, you are given the thing strength. When the person do it, the person energize it. That is how the thing will be able to do whatever he asks the thing to do, but not money. Money is not spiritual. Money is man-made. I want to say Namado where he hypnotize Yagi, more than Namado where make him free, more manipulate Yagi. Those ones are mindset, because all what I want mind the cage where he be, and they don't want the mind where he be. Say when the kids here will control your mind. More than spiritual vibration is very weak. Man, I don't know in terms of money. Money is a legal tender, mind you, created by each government, and everybody you are seeing is well numbered. So more of woman than what he cares so to your mother no. Or they have, because money is this energize. So you cannot attract money. Money is a creation of man by government. And for you to get that money, you must create it following normal process in order to attract that money by works or services you render. That is how money will come. Monobo is as you be hearing in them. The Eze-Ana and Abel came out no work years, but I want to net me a pillow if we go. One of key years where much I hear in a put on a big more no food in a fuego or draw possible, because that is not the process. Those things energized cannot attract physical money, because money is a physical. It cannot attract it. You want some certain things you get money away, lender la services or jobs services before you got there. Man, I won't always say, Mother say, no, what is in negativity, or what is in negativity. Egabia, or you. It is in negativity or a decay, or chat or this in a bad year of what you hope. The same way twice where for any mother like I say, but when they go with that. So, Kapusi deceive, no one deceive, who can ask you what here, by whom Madame Kawata, whom Madame Kaka, what we will Nukuman, or was or to the men in our already to then regret ya. because ọ bụrụ na aka kpara gị wee eze ka udere ikwuo mmụọ chibere gị ọzọ. So ụdị ha na-eme exist. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Disease tie na ụdị ihe ndị a niile wụ obere shallow brain of so-called spiritualist. N'uche nke ya o je mee ya think ya na ya weta ego, ma eweta ego ọ ya eweta ahụ ego gị nwa nwe onye ofeke chere ihe ahụ o mere nwere uru dị ya wee were ego jenye. Ịhụrụ nke ekwu n'ezi agụ iwere mmadụ tii na pit nwere ego ọ na-enye gị ofeke fụrụ datin che na ego na o nwere ike dị na ya wee wetazie ego wee nye. So kwụsị na ụdị ụmụ nọnsensị a. Ọnwụ na mmadụ ọbụla sị gị jee weta akpa report onye atụ polisi, ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Enwere principle join ya m tomorrow na life tomorrow na nkọwara the principles ifu ka ego si abịa. O nwere ihe dịka magic money, ihe niile awụ imaginary money gị nwere onwe gị na-eche na ọ dị possible. Onye ana m achọ ịgwa gị na ndị niile check the history of wealthy men all over the world. Is it start of this world? Is it the process they follow? Please, let's stop believing such. Ekpere ekwere m na Chineke, ekwere m na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. Lụta nọmba ihe ji nweta ma ọ dị na skrin gị 08057837672 or 08138243871. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be blessed. May this new month of August bring favor, blessing, opportunity, and protection now and forevermore. Amen.